Mango peel is a treasure. Don't throw it away anymore. 5 simple and surprisingly useful ways to use mango peels. Hi friends, it's Nancy here. After enjoying a ripe mango, most people throw the peel away right away. But in reality, mango peels can be quite useful in everyday life. Today, I'll share a few simple ways to use mango peels that are easy to do and worth trying. Stay with me because one of these ideas might surprise you. Instead of throwing them away, you can turn fruit peels into a simple homemade sweet jam. This dish is very easy to make and helps you use the whole fruit without wasting anything. First, I rinse the mango peels with water. Then put them into a pot of water and boil for a few minutes. This step helps reduce bitterness and soften the mango peels. One important thing when using mango peel is to choose organic mangoes whenever possible. Since the peel is the part directly exposed to the outside environment, it may still contain pesticide residue if the fruit was grown using conventional methods. If you plan to use the peel for tea cooking or wellness purposes, choosing organic mangoes is a safer option. And before using it, don't forget to wash it thoroughly. Next, use a strainer to remove the peels and let them cool slightly. At this step, don't rush to throw away the water used to boil the mango peels, because in the next tip, I will share a surprising way to use it. Now, cut the mango peels into smaller pieces. Then blend them until smooth. You will notice a light, natural mango aroma. Mango peels contain fiber that supports digestion along with natural antioxidants that help protect the body. When used properly and cleaned well, they can add extra nutrients instead of being wasted. Next, pour the mixture into a pan and add sugar. You can adjust the sugar based on your preferred sweetness without needing a specific ratio. Cook over low heat, stirring gently until the mixture thickens into a soft jam. Finally, you will have a fragrant sweet jam that is easy to enjoy. You can eat it as a snack or spread it on bread. This is a great way to make the most of a mango, turning something you might throw away into something truly useful. Now, the mango peel jam is ready. Do you remember the water we used to boil the mango peels earlier? Let me show you how to turn it into something just as useful. Place the pot of mango water back on the stove and bring it to a gentle boil again. As it heats up, you'll notice a light, natural mango aroma. The scent is very soft and pleasant. Once it's warm, I add a little honey to enhance the sweetness of the tea to my taste. If you are on a low-sugar diet, a few slices of fresh ginger are also a great option. Stir gently so the flavors blend well. Then turn off the heat and pour the tea into a cup. To enhance the flavor, I add a few small pieces of chopped mango into the cup. What I really like about this method is how thoughtful it is. You're not only using the mango peels, but also the water from the process, turning everything into something useful and enjoyable. When it has cooled slightly, let's enjoy it together. Wow! The flavor is light with a gentle hint of fruit and very easy to drink. It's not too strong or overpowering, perfect for the evening when you want something relaxing, especially after a meal. Would you like to try this method? Share your thoughts with me in the comments. Now let's move on to another very practical way to use mango peels, especially if you enjoy taking care of plants at home. Start by cutting the mango peels into small pieces. This helps them break down more easily and release nutrients. Next, place the peel pieces into a clean bottle or jar, then pour in water until they are fully submerged. Loosely cover the lid and let it sit for about 1 week. During this time, the peels will slowly release natural nutrients into the water. This method helps provide extra nutrients for your plants and also helps the soil retain moisture better. It is especially useful for indoor plants that need a bit more care. You look at this. This is the mixture I have soaked for 1 week. You can strain out the peels first or simply pour carefully so the solids do not mix in. The result is a natural, gentle, and easy-to-use liquid fertilizer. Now I will dilute this solution with water at a 1:3 ratio to water the plants at home. Gently pour it around the base of each plant so they can absorb the nutrients. This is a simple way to turn something you might have thrown away into something truly beneficial for your plants and your home environment. Next, I want to share a tip for cleaning and polishing stainless steel surfaces. This method is especially effective for sinks or faucets. First, take a fresh mango peel and turn the soft inner side outward. Then gently rub it over the surface of your stainless steel sink or faucet. Use slow, gentle motions, just enough to clean the areas you want. Do you notice? The surface starts to look cleaner right away. The natural moisture and texture from the peel help remove light residue and leave a soft shine. This is not for deep cleaning, but it works very well for daily light cleaning. After that, simply rinse the surface with water and dry it with a clean cloth. Your sink will have a gentle, natural shine without using any harsh chemicals. It may seem like a small step, but it helps keep your space clean and well cared for while making use of something that would otherwise be thrown away. Have you ever reused mango peels, or do you usually throw them away? Share with me in the comments. I would love to connect with you from all around the world. To finish today's video, I'd like to share one final idea. This is something anyone can do, simple, yet a little special. Cut the mango peels into small pieces, roll them into flower shapes, and place them into an ice tray. Then pour in water until the peels are fully covered and place the tray in the freezer. Let it freeze until the cubes are completely solid. Once ready, you'll have ice cubes with a gentle mango aroma. Whenever you make a drink, whether it's plain water, iced tea, or even a simple juice, just add a few of these cubes. As the ice slowly melts, it releases a light, fruity fragrance, making your drink more refreshing and pleasant. The scent is not too strong, just soft, subtle, and very natural. What I really like about this idea is its simplicity. There's no complicated preparation, just using what you already have at home. At the same time, it adds a small but meaningful touch to your daily routine. Sometimes the simplest things we throw away can still be useful in many ways. With a little extra care, you can save money, reduce waste, and make your daily habits more meaningful. Try one of these ideas the next time you enjoy a mango. And if you like videos like this, don't forget to follow the channel to get more useful videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.